Imagine a nation, long overwhelmed by gang violence and chaos, finally catching a glimpse of hope as international forces step in to restore order. Kenya, an African country, is leading this mission thousands of miles away in Haiti. This bold move has raised global attention. Why would Kenya take on such a significant role in stabilizing another nation across the Atlantic? Is this just about peacekeeping, or is there more to it? Kenya's involvement in Haiti symbolizes a shift in Africa's global presence, showing that African nations are taking bold steps to address international crises. This is more than just another mission. It represents Africa's growing confidence and assertiveness on the world stage. In today's video, we'll dive into the details of Kenya's involvement in Haiti, uncover its importance, and discuss how it reflects Africa's growing influence on the world stage. Stick around to learn why this mission could be a pivotal moment for both Haiti and Kenya, and how it showcases Africa's leadership in global peace efforts. You'll be amazed by the deeper significance of this operation for the entire African continent. What's happening here will likely set the tone for future African leadership in global crises. This mission could be a blueprint for how African nations assert their influence on global platforms. As the world watches, Africa's role in peacekeeping and international relations continues to evolve, offering a fresh perspective on how nations from the continent handle complex global issues. Before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to the African Web and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more stories about Africa's development and global influence. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any important updates regarding Africa's role in shaping the future. Kenya's decision to take on a leadership role in Haiti's security crisis is turning heads around the world. Historically, peacekeeping missions in regions like Haiti have been led by Western powers or the United Nations. But this time, an African country is leading the charge, marking a shift in how global peace and security efforts are managed. Kenya's leadership not only challenges the traditional players in peacekeeping, but also sets a new precedent for African nations stepping into global security roles. This mission is not just about helping another nation. It is also about showcasing Africa's potential to handle complex security issues. Why is this significant? For Kenya, this mission is more than just an effort to help another country. It's a chance to showcase Africa's growing capacity to lead on the global stage. It's about Africa proving that it has the strength and resilience to take control of complex international issues. Kenya's involvement in Haiti represents a powerful display of Pan-African solidarity. Haiti, the first Black republic in the world, shares a deep historical connection with African nations. By stepping up to assist Haiti, Kenya is reinforcing the bonds between Africa and its diaspora, emphasizing that African countries are ready to support each other in times of need. This mission has become a symbol of unity across the Black world, transcending geographical boundaries. Could this be a new era of collaboration between African and Caribbean nations? With every successful operation, Kenya proves that Africa is not only a continent of rich history, but also one of growing influence and responsibility in modern geopolitics. It's not just a question of solidarity, but also of African nations carving out their role in the global landscape. In the dangerous districts of Haiti, such as Delma's Kenyan police, working alongside Haitian officers, have made impressive progress. Several gang members, including key leaders, have been captured, and strongholds once controlled by criminal groups have been dismantled. These operations have sent shockwaves through Haiti's gangs, with many now seeking peace talks. The results show that African-led forces are capable of making real and meaningful changes in conflict zones. But Kenyan Commander Godfrey Otumno made it clear, surrender is the only option and justice will follow. What does this mean for the future of Haiti's stability? Kenya's involvement could set the stage for other African countries to play larger roles in global security. The success of this mission could be a model for how Africa can tackle similar challenges across the world. For Africa, Kenya's leadership in this mission holds deeper significance. Historically, African nations have been seen primarily as recipients of international aid and intervention. Now, Kenya is flipping the script by taking an active role in global security, proving that African countries can not only manage their internal challenges, but also contribute to global peacekeeping. This could also strengthen Africa's long-standing push for a permanent seat on the UN Security Council, signaling that Africa is ready to be a serious player in international diplomacy. Could Kenya's success in Haiti reshape how the world views Africa's role in global peace efforts? If successful, Kenya could influence the global perspective on Africa's leadership capabilities in more complex international scenarios. The world is watching, and Africa's time to lead could be closer than we think. While there have been early victories, challenges remain. Haitian gangs, unlike the terrorist groups Kenya has battled in places like Somalia, have deep roots in local communities. These gangs provide a twisted form of governance in areas where the state's presence is weak, making it difficult to simply remove them without addressing the needs of the population. The complexity of these entrenched gangs calls for more than just military solutions. It requires a multifaceted approach that incorporates community engagement. Kenyan forces will need to balance their military success with efforts to win the support of local communities. How can Kenya navigate this complex environment and maintain the trust of the people they're trying to protect? Success here will depend on a careful strategy that combines peacekeeping with development efforts. This delicate balance is crucial for Kenya's long-term impact in Haiti. Furthermore, the language and cultural barriers pose additional challenges. Haiti's official languages are French and Haitian Creole, while Kenyan forces primarily speak English and Swahili. However, joint operations with the Haitian National Police are helping bridge this gap, fostering effective collaboration despite these obstacles. Communication is a key element of any successful mission, and Kenya has shown adaptability in working across these differences. Will this mission pave the way for stronger ties between African and Caribbean nations in the future? As Kenya overcomes these hurdles, it could also serve as a model for future peacekeeping missions that involve diverse nations. Success in overcoming these barriers would further strengthen the relationship between Africa and its diaspora, setting a new precedent for global partnerships. Kenya's involvement in Haiti isn't just a one-time event. It's part of a broader strategy to position Africa as a key player in international peace and security. By leading this mission, Kenya is showing the world that African countries are ready to tackle global challenges with African solutions. This operation is a crucial step in proving that African nations are not only contributors, but also leaders in shaping global peacekeeping efforts. If this mission succeeds, it could serve as a model for future African-led peacekeeping efforts. Could this be the turning point that changes how African countries contribute to global peace and stability? Africa's potential to lead on a global scale is becoming more evident with each passing day. As this story continues to unfold, one thing is clear: Kenya's mission in Haiti has far-reaching implications for both nations and Africa's place in the world. What are your thoughts on Kenya's role in Haiti? Could this mission help solidify Africa's leadership in global peacekeeping? The future of Africa's global impact may well be determined by how missions like these unfold. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the African Web for more in-depth stories about Africa's development and influence. Stay connected to learn more about how Africa is shaping the global narrative.